We're at the Home Depot again to get some lumber.
Lumber is in short supply due to Hurricane Laura. We will see what we can find here. Meet you inside. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we are going to try to finish the ceiling. We are experienced after doing the front half and we are moving much faster. We are only on day 3 versus
Took us like a whole week, 7
a
working
whole
days.
7 days, not a full working day, but
Yeah.
at least 3 or 4 hours a day, which is,
And the weekends were full working days.
yeah,
Anyway.
7 working days to get the front half done, and we should be finished today on day 3. So
Really? You think?
I hope so. That's the goal anyway. This is the wood we have left.
No more big pieces.
All of our big pieces are gone. We were working with pieces that were 12, 13 to 15 foot long. And now we're down to 60 inch. The biggest ones are 60 inches. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that that's enough.
I'm excited.
Because I don't know what we're gonna do if it's not enough.
I think we'll be fine. Right?
This is where we are. I didn't order any lights last night. So this is what we got left. This and this. With very small pieces. We got 4 more lights to pop in. But we don't have any more lights. So we're just gonna make the holes and pop them in a different day. When they come in. Which I need to order. Alright. Wish us luck. It feels good today.
Yeah, it does.
It is 68 degrees. And we're gonna get to work.
It's fall, y'all.
It's fall, y'all. Custom Skoolie build 101. This ceiling does not take an expert to do. If you love the way this looks, but you are scared about your carpentry skills, I would encourage you to go for it. The smaller the width of the board, the easier they are to put up. And these boards are 90 years old for us, so they're all rotten. Tongue and groove is broken. We just made it a lot more difficult on ourselves, but we didn't pay for nails, we didn't pay for wood, we didn't pay for the wood glue. So we're working on a budget here, and that's what you get for free stuff is more time invested.
Budget builds.
Since we are working with scrap wood, not all of them are gonna line up perfectly with the ribs. And instead of chopping them all up to make them fit, I'm just letting them fall where they end. A little trick my dad taught me, just a little wood like this will keep them from flapping, especially if there are pieces like this one doesn't fall on a rib, but it's nice and secure. It's because I did this behind it, put that there. Now if you come on this side, you can see that that is going to be ready for the next piece. Do I have the next piece? Another trick that I like, when the tongue and groove doesn't quite lock like you want it to, you can slide it back and forth until it does lock into place. And this is that same joint with the piece of wood underneath it. So we will see you again when this is done. Where's this light? So this is how we are gonna box in the humps. These are 2x4s. Put them even like this. You don't necessarily need a 45 of them. I'm just doing it because it looks nice. Fixing to drill these down. And again, the reason we're doing this is because the original height that we made it, the spray foam is too high. Get out of my face, Roxy. So we just have to pick it up a bit. goal is that this works as a rubber, so it doesn't chafe it. Today is October 2nd. It is officially spooky season.
It's fall, y'all.
It's fall, y'all. Amber is finishing up the prep work on the interior of the bus. We are spraying the ceiling today with polyurethane. We are doing finishing work, finally. Finishing work means you're finished when it's done. So exciting. I have got my station prepped up over here. I've got my polyurethane stirred. They say you should not shake polyurethane. It creates bubbles that are hard to get out. This is the polyurethane we're using. This is a Home Depot brand. You might recognize the gun. This is the gun we sprayed the bus with. This is a Wagner tankless sprayer. I would not recommend purchasing this, but since I already have, we are using it. It's supposed to be able to spray this at its full viscosity, which means you should not have to mix it with anything. When you start mixing this oil-based polyurethane with different chemicals, it changes the chemical characteristics of it. So you'll have, you know, drying times that are more lengthy, you'll have discoloration, and in very, very bad situations, you'll have polyurethane that won't dry. I don't want to experiment with any of that. I don't want to find out that I did something wrong. So we're going to try to spray it at its full strength. And this little Wagner is supposed to be able to do it. I've got some test pieces up here. That way I can spray and adjust my settings before we get in there. Because we're going to do some very light coats at first. The first coat is just going to be very, very light. We're basically going to mist it on there. We're going to wait a little while. Wait for that to get tacky, and then add some more thin layers. This ceiling will be in the bathroom, meaning it will be wet. Polyurethane is a waterproofer. It does not get its best water resistance until 3 coats. So we're probably going to put 4 coats on the whole bus. Once the bathroom's done and all the walls are up, we're probably going to put some more in the bathroom to 5 or 6 or 7 coats, just to make sure it's like 100% waterproof. How's it going? So that's what we got going on for you today. Stay tuned. We are fixing to have a shiny ceiling.
y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We put a lot of love and effort into these videos, and your support does not go unnoticed. Thank y'all.